Stuttgart Airport, Baden-Württemberg, Germany. 8th May 2023, 9 p.m. You see the sky is getting dark, and yeah, we're ready to go. I think it's a penultimate flight of the day. The last one is flying to Barcelona. So this is a second to the last. And yeah, amazing 3-day deep German trip. A lot of interesting experiences. Well, went to Heidelberg. Finally get a chance to climb the mountain, Schloss Heidelberg, and then stayed in the friend's place, 2 different friends' place for 2 nights, and then experienced this limit-free highway in Germany. Well, Guangdong went up to, I think, 150 or something, and the Shenzhen went up to like a 180. Well, it's quite tough, and the small airports, but it has everything. Well, but 2 bottles of Riesling from the airport. That's pretty good, decent, solid price. And they did this kind of German naked sauna spa. Wow, very interesting experience. A female side, male side, and a lot of discussion and reflect about my life. Well, it's time to go back and start a new journey. Here we go.
Good evening to all. My name is Sarah Jane. We're at Flight Lead. It's my pleasure this evening, along with Georgia, Jane and Caitlin, to welcome you all on board this flight to London Heathrow. A special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining us from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. You must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. When opening the overhead lockers, please do take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst aboard, and this does include the toilets, which are also fitted with smoke detectors. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network today, visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please do note that video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. Very shortly shall be starting our onboard service today. If you do have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please do contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe today, we're offering your choice of meal, also drinks from the bar. In our Euro Traveller cabin, we'll be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and also a snack. This will then be followed by our Speedboat Cafe service. Pre-purchased items will be served first, followed by our onboard purchases. If you'd like to purchase from a selection of Speedboat Cafe items on today's flight, please do connect to the BA Wi-Fi network and visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available, or you can refer to the menu card within your seat pocket. As part of our BA Better World initiative, you can now purchase a contribution to carbon offsets for just £2.50 or donate to our charity partnership Flying Start. We do invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy hospitality. If there's anything my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable to Heathrow today, then please not hesitate to let us know. Thank you.
Okay, you can see the clouds. Very interesting. So it's the first 2 days, well, first 1.5 days sunny, super nice sky, blue sky and white clouds. Last 1.5 days rainy, periodically heavily cloudy, but yeah, I think that is a true Black Forest experience. Humid, fresh air was pretty nice. I'm so happy I did this trip, and I also had a hiking, visited the birthplace of John S. Kepler. That's nice. So I think the area that with a lot of ice should be the city of Stuttgart. Okay, now we are getting to the clouds. See you next time.